Hello, I'm gonna do some painting on my daughter's face. Sorry. I'm using this for her facial cream. And then my little powder, elf. My little one wants to sit on my lap. I don't see how this is gonna happen. She's gonna have to stay over here beside me. Eat her popcorn, make a mess. Alright. Powder, I already put the facial cream on. She don't wear makeup, I'm just doing this. So. No. Eyeliner. Close your eyes.
We're definitely off on a creature rescue, but where are we going? Where's that plane? Good point, bro. I have no idea. There's always a good way to find out.
I'm sorry about the quality. I'm gonna scoot up to it. Just look up. Sorry about the quality. There's her eyeliner on that eye.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I was Zach. Where would I hide? They can't see. Can you give us a location on Zach's plane? You're right on track, guys. Keep heading north. There! We've got him!
Well, I've got good news. The Hero Master power discs are complete.
Okay, open it. We're just fooling around, so I'm not gonna make it perfect because she's only 7, so. But she's only, you know, I could do facial.
7 years. 7 years old.
And I'm not gonna put mascara on her because mascara is my mascara, and I don't do that. No. So. Here, bro, sissy. Here, you can sit my sissy. Sorry, little ponytail in the shot. She just has some money. No, I gotta do your face. Okay, sit still. You too. Alright.
Oh my god. Willow.
Willow. Faster. Sorry. Ah! 13-month-old. Wild. Here, you want some? Here. Aww. Okay. I got this. I'm using the white and the kind of like a aqua kind of, well, mermaid blue, I call it. Oh, you want some? Here. Let's put some on her baby. Ooh, fancy.
That's it. Fancy. You don't slap me. You just slapped a pretty.
Okay, you too. Alright, blood. Blood!
I can't believe blood.
Vampire blood. Okay, kid. Watch out.
My blood.
Here, you can have this. Here, play with that. Okay, look at me, Harlie.
Ready for some Hero Monster combat? Oh yeah! Engage foot power!
Sorry, I forgot to mute my daughter's cartoons. I hope that doesn't interfere with the... Alright, kiddo. Everybody hears you. Here, popcorn. There you go.
Yeah.
Look at me. Y'all see me in the video. Itchy itch? I don't know.
That's a thought.
Huh?
You just itched it.
It's the it's. Watch out. I just heard it.
I don't know. Can't barely touch it.
Alright. Okay. Stop. Harlie,
my God,
just leave it alone. If it itches, it itches.
Oh my god! Willow.
Excuse me with my hair.
They don't want to see your hair.
You can see it. Oh, boy. My kid and the wet ones. Destroying the house. Anyway. Bill. Excuse me. Okay. Let's do the... Don't eat that. Okay, scoot up to me. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Why is there the half evil and half beautiful?
Yeah, I just got this eyeshadow. I'm using the, like, smoky black. Okay. Stop. Look at me.
Why Willow?
There. Ooh. Fancy.
What about the lips?
Stop. Tap it. I don't want to get it right under her eye because I don't want to hurt her. So, we're going to do it just like this for now. Go like this. Make a duck face.
What?
Look. I just got out shadow. I'm just doing it. Ew, sneezies. Sneezy McSneezers. Okay, turn it, look that way. Show 'em. The sunken, like, cheek. I mean, y'all can do it with something else, but all I got is LAC.
LAC. Don't judge me.
Okay. Close your mouth. I got his eyeshadow, but there, a black lip.
What about this lip?
I don't have nothing to put on that one. Just put.
What about this? Put blue on that one.
Put pink or something.
Blue.
There, sparkly blue.
What? Ah!
What? Oh yeah,
Tore it up.
it's fine. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Looks like she's crying blood. Man, like a
What
little
about
cut.
more blood? More blood.
No.
More. I'm painting white side. Done. Take it out.
Okay, scoot it to it. Let everybody see. Evil face. Good face. Princess. Okay, evil face. With the pigtail all the way. Okay, now look. Look front ways. Look at him. Oh, broken finger. And then show the... This is my face. Do you like that? Alright, I hope y'all like this. Like and give a big thumbs up. And you can do this whenever it's Halloween or you got a party. It's not that hard. You just can do it with eyeshadow. Okay, goodbye.